We don't live long enough to witness any galaxy evolve. So it's a statistical question. It's a little bit like if you didn't know the human lifetime and you were only on the Earth for a few minutes, you might piece together a human story from a baby that you saw to a teenager doing something terrible to, an adult being sensible and to an old age person like me walking down the street. So you'd piece together the lifetime of a human by looking statistically at the population. And that's what we have to do with galaxies. This is the only equation in the talk, and it is in fact the only equation in my book. What we're looking at here is the way in which we can determine how far back we're looking. Now, you probably know that the universe is expanding. You probably heard of the Big Bang, and you probably think the Big Bang was some kind of big explosion and, matter was sent hurling into space. That's not the correct view. Galaxies are not projectiles expanding into pre-existing space. They are actually sitting on space that is itself expanding. This was the realization that Einstein and many others made in the 1920s, that the solutions of Einstein's equation permitted space itself to be stretching, not a static material.